For this lesson, we're going to cover how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Before I show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox, I'm going to cover exactly what is Kali Linux. Kali Linux is the new generation of the industry-leading BackTrack Linux penetration testing and security auditing Linux distribution. Kali Linux is a Debian-derived Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing. Kali Linux is pre-installed with many different penetration testing programs, including Nmap, which is used for port scanning, Wireshark, which is used for packet analyzing, John the Ripper, which is used for password cracking, Aircrack, which is a software suite for penetration testing on the wireless LANs, Burp suite, and OWASP ZAP, both web application security scanners, and Metasploit, which is a tool for developing and executing security exploits. Now then, I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on the VirtualBox. Okay, first you want to click on New, and then type in Kali Linux. Make sure that it's a 64-bit version. Then click Next. Okay, let's change the memory size to 512. Click Next. Leave it as default. Just click Create. Also leave this as default. Click Next. Leave it as dynamically allocated. Click Next. For file location and size, I'm going to set it to 15. Create. Go to Settings. Let's change this to bidirectional for both. Let's put the processor to 4. Find your Kali Linux ISO file. Make sure that it shows up. Change this to bridged. And start it. Select Install. English. United States. For the host name, we're going to call it Kali Linux 01. For the domain, we'll call it private.edu. Set your root password to whatever you want. Retype it. Select your time zone. For the next step, we'll leave everything as default. All right, next. 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 All right, here, go to Yes. Okay, now it's going to install onto your system. This process usually takes about 12 minutes or so, depends on your computer. Select Yes to use the network mirror. Okay, leave this blank and just continue. Yes again. Alrighty, the installation is complete. Click continue. It's going to reboot your system. Alright, click on other. For username, type in root. Type in your root password that you set up earlier. Okay, go to Applications, Accessories, and click on Terminal. Now then, let's update and upgrade our Kali Linux to the latest version. Okay, type in this command, apt-get space update space ampersand ampersand space atp minus get space minus y space upgrade space ampersand ampersand space apt minus get space minus y space install space dkms. All right, now your Kali Linux is fully updated and upgraded to the latest version. So just type in power off to power it off, and that's it. Well, I hope this video helped, and try it out for yourself. Install it, play around with it, experiment, and see how it goes. right, thank you for watching.